obviously AI has been an incredibly hot topic right now. Is an incredibly hot topic right now, and obviously everyone seems to be talking about it at the event. How can cybersecurity teams leverage AI in the fight against cybercrime?
Yeah, so I mean, it's important to say that we have been using AI in cybersecurity for a number of years, a long time before this sort of recent 2-year thing where it's kind of become really big in the public eye, and that comes in several forms. It normally is going to be a type of machine learning. So AI is really great at essentially taking large amounts of data and then pulling useful things out of it, things that humans find very difficult. So AI has been used in cybersecurity in softwares like SIM technologies, which deal with a huge amount of logs and data from many different types of systems, and it's able to then correlate all these different pieces of data and highlight where things are anomalous. So you would see, the same thing happening every week in, week out, and then suddenly something changes. AI is very good at getting used to a normal set of data and then highlighting where things change.
And obviously, there is also the risk of AI getting in the wrong hands, of course. What are some of the challenges that companies are facing at the moment when it comes to the recent rise of AI and tools like ChatGPT?
Yeah, I mean, there's huge risks and difficulties that are being experienced basically with every company when it comes to generative AI like ChatGPT, but also AIs like Stable Diffusion, which are more image-based as well. So ChatGPT is the big one that everyone's talking about, but you will see in the next couple months things like Bard and Cortana be big as well in the same way that it's talked about with ChatGPT. But these are really helpful, amazing, useful tools that are great for productivity and great for general work, writing emails and making sense of things and helping users.
Yeah, that's a really good point, 100%. And obviously, it may be a tool for good, AI. It's a very powerful tool. What are some of the dangers if bad actors, if threat actors get their hands on this sort of technology? Are companies seeing these sort of like trends where that sort of thing is happening?
Absolutely. I mean, they absolutely have their hands on it, right? I mean, anyone can access generative AI now. So you get the good use cases of people using it for good, but already we're seeing, bad actors using AI for various nefarious purposes. I mean, on topic with cybersecurity, there's many other bad uses of AI, but essentially we have attackers using it to create very convincing phishing emails and phishing pages. Gone are the days of the stereotypical click here, you win £50,000 and you've inherited something. Now these phishing emails are very realistic because ChatGPT can write that even if you're not native in the language, and you can ask it to write any kind of paragraph about anything in any language you like, and it will appear pretty decent. So phishing attackers are using those to create convincing websites and emails, but also you're seeing amateur attackers using generative AI to basically create malware and create viruses. So we're seeing this, what we call the skill floor for cyber criminals lowering, because you don't need to be able to make your own viruses or anything such as that anymore. You can have a non-technical background and use AI to help you create the tools that you would need to execute cybercrime.